Our forefathers that fought for the creation of Rivers State in 1967, they had a clear vision of the prosperity of Rivers State and these people. And then unfortunately, we've not been able to achieve that target set by our forefathers. It became worse in the last 1 year or so, where a governor emerged and the governor was not allowed to freely execute the tenets of his mandate. Yes, we heard that there was an agreement between the governor and some other people, but the mandate of the governor is clear when the vote was given to him. It was for peace and prosperity of Rivers people. That seemed to be eluding us. So we, former members of National Assembly, the Rivers Caucus, came together to say, look, enough is enough. Silence will no longer be golden when we are expected to chart a course for the Rivers people. We need peace. The governor should be allowed to function, according to the wish and wishes of not only Rivers, but our ancestors and forefathers who fought for the creation of the state. And we are here to strongly support the people and government of Rivers State to actualize that dream. You can't have two governors at the same time. We have listened to the advice given by the former governor, who is now Minister of FCT, that the moment a governor has emerged, that you have to support him. If you don't, the powers in the office, both spiritual, both heaven and earth, will descend on you. We don't want that such a power to descend on us. We have no choice than to support him and to urge the governor to be strong in executing that mandate. We need peace. My advice to Rivers people is to support the actions of the governor in executing that mandate. You can see that if you go around the state, you see that he's already looking at areas that out of hindsight eluded the former governor. So we urge him to be strong and to be focused and not to be distracted by anything at all. He has a clear mandate of Rivers confirmed by the Supreme Court of Nigeria. So that is where we stand.